Sometime last year, during the hypes around AI and AI agents, I decided to invest into Nvidia. And what I actually invested is now sitting at 100% plus, almost 120% from my entering price. Now, one thing I've noticed is that I was speaking with somebody and then he said, where can I invest? How can I buy these US stocks? How can I invest in the ones I like and start holding? What is the safe platform where I can do all of this, both with crypto and everything, all in one place? And that is exactly what I want to show you in this video. How to invest in US stocks, and if you want to diversify your investment into crypto and other stuff, how to do all of this in one platform. So the first thing you need is a Bybit account. The link will be in my bio, or you can check out the video description for that. So sign up for a Bybit account, get your account verified. Processes are very simple, and if you're a Nigerian, all you need is just your BVN number or a government issued ID card, and your account is verified. Fund the account using P2P or any other means that you can fund the account with. And once you do that, I'm doing everything using the mobile app. So just log in to your Bybit mobile app. Once you log in, there's an option here that says trade at the middle. Click on it. And once you click on it, by default, it brings you to this interface. Now, Nvidia stock is already selected because it's something I've been DCAing into. So all you just need to do is to click this option right here where you have the Nvidia USDT. Now we're going to be buying using USDT. If you want to use any other stablecoin that is USDC, you can go ahead and do that. So once it's selected, if you don't see it here, just go ahead and click. By default, it could be crypto, Bitcoin that will be there. So just click on it. And once you click on it, make sure you are on the spot option. And here on the spot option, make sure that you go and click on this X stocks. This is where you'll see all of the tokenized US stocks that you can invest in. And once you click on it, it filters out everything right here. So you can see for Circle, you can see for CoinEx, you can see for Nvidia, you can see for Tesla, all of these. Google. If you want to invest in Apple, remember I made a video previously showing you how to convert your USDT into Apple stocks and then stand a chance to get $20. That promo is still ongoing. That campaign is still ongoing. So if you want, you can just use the link, sign up. And once you buy Apple stocks worth $100, Bybit gives you $20 immediately after holding this for a few days. So if you want to invest even in Meta and all of that, you can go ahead and do that. So all I do is I constantly monitor this market actually based on the US economic news and all of that. If market drops, I go ahead and buy into those stocks. So the part of the stocks that I'm investing in is Nvidia. I'm equally holding some Meta, I'm holding some Apple stocks and then some Google stocks as well. So any of these that you want, you just go ahead and click. Let's say you want to buy Apple, you go ahead and click on it. And you need to have USDT right here. So if your USDT that you funded your account with is not here, just click on this option right here and it opens up your wallet where you can transfer your USDT right here. So once you transfer your USDT in here, you just go ahead and specify if you want to buy at $300 right now, you can go ahead. And if I go back, you can equally use the chart option here to chart to know when to buy and when to sell. So if market drops and you want to buy, let's say we drops to 250 or 200 and you want to buy, you just go ahead and specify the amount of stocks you want to buy. Currently, if I want to buy right now, one of these will cost me 300. So 300 USDT. So if you want to buy one, you go ahead and add that right here. Let's say I want to buy two of that, you go ahead and add that and you just go ahead and click on the buy button, and just like that you now own the Apple stocks. And once the stocks goes up in price above what you bought it, automatically you're making profit from it. I hope this video is helpful. If it is, smash that like button, share this with some other person, it may be of help to them. And above all, make sure you enable that notification bell so that whenever we publish new videos like this, you'll be the first to be notified. If you want to learn more, you can join us on Telegram. The link will be in my bio as well.